Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. The trending gift this year are the Amaryllis in wax. They've got treated, ducked in water, roots taken off, ducked in water, and the water is trapped in there with wax. And then, number of weeks, they're going to flower with enormous flowers. Now, there are a whole range. These ones are red, gorgeous colours. Look at that. Hand paint now, extra large bulbs. They're going to flower over a longer period of time. You'll see them all in the web shop. Snowman and some squirrels, and starting to move this one here. Nice squirrels there, some foxes, and gorgeous. Look at that. Hand painting is lovely, and will be, they make fantastic gifts. And then you've got the Delft blue like that, deep red as well, and then these are white, what we call the botanic range, in large, enormous white flowers, but they are loved as gifts. I think this year about 5 times normal we're doing. The demand is enormous for them. It's a simple gift that just gives such fantastic pleasure. Flowers are stunning. They're really showstoppers, and some of the new colours, have a look through the web shop. Some of the new colours are fantastic. Some of those marble ones like that as well really stand out from the crowd, but make fantastic gifts. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.